Okay, so now we want to handle SSG in events. So we will move, first step is to move it here. Now we can remove the data because nothing is here, so delete. So this is step 1. Step 2 is to create the API. So events, we will remove this and this, and we will import events from data slash event slide, and we will simply use it here like this. So let's run it. Let's see that it is working locally. Slash API slash events. Slash API slash events. Okay, we have the data. Now let's push it and check it on the production. Git add -a, git commit -m events API, git push. We will check the API on vercel. Refresh. Okay, it is ready now. Let's check it. Not here. Slash API slash events, and let's see that it is working. Okay, so now we can implement the SSG. So we need to go here to events, and we need to use getStaticProps. We'll copy it. Remove the context, and like in courses and like in testimonials, we will create the interface iProps. Events is of type I event array, and we will create here props of type iProps equal to events, which is an empty array, we will now fetch the information. So const again, we can copy it from here. No need to do everything again. Okay, so we will use here events, Control D, events, we will import it, quick fix, remove this, and use functional component. Let's import it and use here props, and here use destructoring and remove this. Okay, so we don't need now use fetch, and actually we can remove the use fetch altogether because we're not using it. So use fetch, can remove it from here, and no need for this. Can remove the hooks because we have used it only for use fetch. Okay. Let's see now events. First, we see that it is working. Now, let's push it. Git add -a, git commit -m, SSG in events page, git push. Okay, go to vercel, fresh this building. Okay, events, let's see what we had before. We had 64 and 99, so I'm expecting here substantial improvement. Refresh. Oh, it should be with capital E. Just a minute. Capital E and analyze. Wow. 96. This is really okay. We had 86, but now we have 96. And here we have 100. So even if we take only this, we have improved by at least 10 or 12%. We also got an improvement here. So now let's get back to courses. Maybe we'll see a change also here. 85. Okay. So we did not see a big difference here. But here we got a very big difference. And also on the desktop. It's minor, but there is a change.